So we started this business in 2012 as a riding gear store. So then started this. Then slowly we thought we have to add a workshop in that. Then I wanted the workshop to be different because see, I enjoy seeing work to be done on my bike. So the workshop should be in such a way that the riders can watch what's happening to it. So we have done some R&D with some technicians as well as bikers, like how we can do that. Then what we understood is like technicians doesn't like the customer to be roaming around in the workshop, and the customer doesn't like someone stopping them entering into the workshop. Then we thought of we'll have a small coffee space where they can have a coffee and they can watch what's happening with the bike without entering into the room. So then we started this concept in like around 2014-15. So workshop and cafe, it will be adjacent with a glass partition and all. So you can see what's happening with your bike, but you can't enter into the workshop space. If you need anything, you can call your service engineer and guide that. So luckily that became a massive success. So now, right now we have 4 branches in Hyderabad. So all the 4 branches as store, workshop, cafe and detailing studios. So now we started doing a lot of brands, and we even done a lot of R&Ds with some riding gears and even lubricants and some performance parts as well. So now even we added dyno-jet machine, so we do custom tuning for the bikes as well. So a lot of drag racings which are happening in India. So vehicles which have been participated, especially the 2-wheeler segment, and are coming from Hyderabad has been tuned in our place. Yeah. Thank you for that.